students, today we will start chapter number 4 of class plus 1, that is mathematical induction. Mathematical induction, it's very important one. In this question, in this chapter, all the exercise, this question contains 3 steps. In step number 1, we take n is equal to 1. We verify this result by taking n is equal to 1. In step 2, we take, let us suppose, for n is equal to k, this statement is true. And in the last step, we verify this statement by taking n is equal to k plus 1. This is the question. Prove by principle of mathematical induction for all n. N is an integer, belongs to n. This is integer, this is any number. 1 plus 3 square plus 3 the power n minus 1 equals to 3 the power n minus 1 by 2. We prove this statement by the principle of mathematical induction. For this, first we take this statement as Pn, that is 1 plus 3 square plus 3 the power n minus 1 is equal to this. In step 1, this is the first step. Step 1, for n is equal to 1. We put value of n is 1 here, and this is the first term. Put value of 1 in the right hand side. We get this 1 is equal to 2 by 2. 1 is equal to 1. That is, for n is equal to 1, Pn is true. This is the first step. In this chapter, we take first step like this. In step 2, suppose that Pn is true for n is equal to k. That is, we take n is equal to k. So 1 plus 3 square plus 3, in place of n we put k means 1 upon 2. This is equation number 1. This is the second step. In step third, for n is equal to k plus 1. In this, we put k plus 1. This is 1. This is 3 square. This is 3, k means 1. K plus 1 means we take, there is additional term which contains k plus 1 in place of k. In right hand side, we put k plus 1. This step is very important. We write k plus 1th term. This means this is the pkth term. In this, we put additional term in which k is replaced by k plus 1. This cancel out. For verification, we take left hand side, that is 1 plus 3 square, 3 power k minus 1 plus 3k. From equation 1, that is 1 plus 3 square, 3 power k minus 1 is equal to whole power this. We put this value here. So the left hand side is, this value is 3 power k means 1 upon 2 plus 3 power k. When we take LCM of this is 2 into 3 power k. This is 3 the power k is common. 1 plus 2 means 1 upon 2. That is 3 the power k into 3 means 1 upon 2. This is 3 the power k into 3 means 1 upon 2. This is 3 power k plus 1 upon 2. This is the right hand side. This is the verification of this. This question is very important. This is divided into 3 steps. First, we take this statement as Pn. In this statement, first step is for n is equal to 1, that is P1 first term as it is, we put n is equal to 1 in the right hand side, then these two are equal. That is, for n is equal to 1, this statement is true. In step 2, let us suppose that this statement is true for n is equal to k. We put here n is equal to k and take this equation as 1. For third step, n is equal to k plus 1. In this step, we write all these terms and there is additional term k plus 1. This means this k is replaced by k plus 1. This cancel out, and in right hand side we put k plus 1 in place of k. For verification, we take the left hand side of the equation. In this is this term. This is equal to 3. This is equal to 3 power k means 1.2. We put its value here and take LCM of this. We get 3k plus 1. K plus 1 means 1.2. That is the right hand side. This is the verification of this question. In question number 2, the statement is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube is equal to n plus 1.2 whole square. In this question, first we take this statement equals to Pn. That is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube plus n cube. This is the right hand side. N into n plus 1 upon 2 whole square. In this, step 1 is, first step is for n is equal to 1, that is P1. We put 1 cube in the right hand side, n is 1. So 1 cube is 1. This is 2 by 2 square, cancel out, which is always equals to 1. This means for n is equal to 1, Pn is true. This is the first step, which is common in the previous. And in second step, suppose that Pn is true for n is equal to k. That is, Pk is equal to 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, n cube. In place of n, we put k plus 1 upon 2 whole square. This is the question number 1. In step 3, we put n is equal to k plus 1. This is the important one, k plus 1. This is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. This is k cube. In place of k, we write another term, that is k plus 1. And in the right hand side, we put k plus 1 in place of k. This means the right hand side is k plus 1, k plus 2 upon 2 whole square. This is the step 3. We verify this. For verification, we take the left hand side, that is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube plus k cube plus k plus 1 whole cube. From equation 1, that is this 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, k cube. This means this is the value of this is k plus 1 upon 2 whole square. This is k plus 1 whole cube. This is k square, k plus 1, this is 4, k plus 1 whole cube. If we take k plus 1 common, we get k square by 4, k plus 1. This is k plus 1 whole square, k square plus 4k plus 4 divided by 4. This is k plus 1 whole square, k plus 2 whole square divided by 4. This is k plus 1, k plus 2 divided by 2 whole square. This is the RHS of this question. This means equal to right hand side. This is the verification of this question. In this is the step 1. For n is equal to 1, we verify first term equal to right hand side. We verify also last term equal to right hand side. Then this step is true. In step 2, we suppose that n is equal to k, Pn is true. In the third step, n is equal to k plus 1. We verify this by taking another term, that is another extra term in k plus 1. This is pk, we take k plus 1 whole cube. This is the additional term. In the right hand side, in place of k, we put k plus 1. We verify this by taking question number 1 and verify this. This means this side is equal to RHS. This is the verification of this question. In third question, the statement is 1.3. We read it at point. It's not point. It's 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3 square plus 3 multiplied by 3 cube plus n multiplied by 3 power n equals to 2n minus 1, 3n plus 1 plus 3 by 4. This is the statement. First we take this statement as this is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus up to n into 3 power n is equal to 2n minus 1, 3n plus 1 plus 3 by 4. In step 1, that is for n is equal to 1, we take this is 1. This is the first term, 1 multiplied by 3. This is 2 into 1 minus 1, 3 into 1 plus 1 plus 3 by 4. This is 3. This equals to 2 minus 1, 1 into 3 power 2 plus 3 by 4. 3 is equal to 9 plus 3 by 4. That is 3 is equal to 12 by 4. This is 3 is equal to 3. So for n is equal to 1, Pn is true. This is the step number 1. In step 2, suppose that Pn is true for n is equal to k. That's Pk is equal to 1 multiply 3, 2 multiply 3 square, that's 3 cube plus k multiply 3 power k, that's 2k minus 1. This is 3 power k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. This is the question number first. In step third, this is the important one. For n is equal to k plus 1, we take as k plus 1. This is 1 multiply 3, 2 multiply 3 square, 3 multiply 3 cube. This is k multiply 3 power k plus we write additional term k plus 1 multiply 3k plus 1. This is 2k plus 1 minus 1. This is 3k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. For verification, when we solve this, we get 2k plus 2, that is 2k plus 2 plus 1, 3 power k plus 2 plus 3 by 4. For verification, we take left hand side 2, 3 square, 3 cube plus k, 3 power k, k plus 1, 3 power k plus 1. From equation number 1, we put value of this value is 2 power that is 2k minus 1 into 3 the power k plus 1 plus 3 by 4 plus k plus 1 3 power k plus 1. When we take LCM of this is when we take LCM of this, that is 4, LCM is 4, then we get 2k minus 1, 3 power k plus 1 plus 3, 4 k plus 1, 3 power k plus 1. Take in these two terms 3 power k plus 1 common, we get 2k minus 1, 4k plus 4 plus 3 by 4. That is 3k plus 1, this is 6k plus 3 plus 3 by 4. When we take 3 common, we get 2k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. When we add these two base, we get k plus 2, that is 2k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. This is the RHS right hand side, that is 2k plus 1, 3 power k plus 2 plus 3 by 4. This is the solution of question number 3rd. If you face any problem in this step, then ask me at any time. Thanks.